Oh, Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are getting ready to take care of this heat damaged hair, and we're gonna go ahead and give myself a good trim. So this is what we're working with, guys. Okay, so 6 months after a silk press, I'm kind of left with this and I just cannot take it anymore. So we are getting ready to cut out all of these straight pieces and just kind of doing some regular maintenance on my hair. As you can see, I have some straight pieces there, and you know, like when I pull on my hair, I'm getting like little knots, and as you can see, boop, yep, that's a knot right there. And as you can see, I have some strands that as I pull on the ends of my hair, those little straggly ends are causing knots in my hair. I do have shedding, but a little bit more than is normal for all of the hair that I have. So I believe it's time to give a nice cut. So let's get started. So I'm coming out of the shower after deep conditioning and all, so we have a nice clean scalp, and I divided my hair into 4 sections, okay? So out of 1/4 of those sections, I'm using a smaller section, and this is the product that I'll be using, Shea Moisture's Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner. I love it because it is a very thick product, and my hair really takes time to soak up those thick shea butter products. My hair loves it. So I'm going ahead and I worked that product in, and this is the detangler I'm going to be using. You can use a brush, but I kind of prefer this one because it really is going to pull and detangle my hair, pull all of those knots all the way down to the bottom because I will be cutting, okay? So I take my time and I make sure. Now, see that right there? That's what I'm coming after. Okay, so I make sure that I take my time and my hair is flat, almost like I'm straightening it. And I make sure there is no tangles in this section. And you kind of gotta take your time with this because you have to really comb out your hair and see where it needs to be cut. So I see where it needs to be cut on my end. It might be hard to see on camera, but that's where those straight pieces lie, okay? And I comb again, and you should be able to really just feel the difference. And if you see any more straight pieces, again, this is hair maintenance, go ahead and cut that out too. So this is the difference, big difference, okay? And this is going to help me reduce shedding. It's going to make my twist outs look so much better and just overall healthy hair. So again, this is what that's looking like. That is heat damage, okay? And we are going to cut it out. There is no reason that we need to keep heat damaged hair. And I know that's some inches, but honey, those inches will grow back, I promise. And you guys are going to see me grow it all back. So yeah, so that's what we're working on. And at this point, you know, you see me, I'm kind of like half smile because I'm a little nervous. But like I said, it really has to go. So this section, oh my God. Do you all see this? This is one of the main reasons why I'm doing this video. This is not okay. We need to cut this, and you can vividly see how much shedding this section is causing me because the hair is just gonna fall out anyway. All those inches, no, gotta go, okay? Like I said, we are not playing around, and we're gonna go ahead and cut this out because what do we want besides inches? We really want healthy hair, and I held on to it for 6 months, but I just cannot do it anymore. So this is what we got now, and it's kind of crazy. I'm kind of laughing at myself, but I signed up for this and I'm really glad that I cut that out. So again, each little section, we're doing it just a little section at a time, but that part was a big part because that had a lot of damage to it. I'm not so sure why that section did, but we cut it out, and I just know that little area of my hair can be used to watch hair growth. So it'll be interesting to see how much that little twist thrives. So this is me going ahead, and I'm, you know, like I said, I'm just really taking my time, and now I'm on the front. And the ends of my hair here, the damage here is a little sparse, so much that you can barely see it on camera. And guess what? We're going to cut it. I'm really serious. This side of my head, you know, it just had just too many straight pieces, and it's really hard to see it when I have all of my hair out in curls. But I know the longer that you wait to cut those dead ends and heat damage, your hair will really break off. So we're going for healthy hair. Whew, okay. So after about 4 hours, and I'm not even joking, guys, I started at 7:30 and it's 11:30 now. We are going to put in our tea tree oil onto our scalp. So again, healthy hair maintenance. We're gonna go ahead and add this to our scalp and the strands of our hair. Tea tree oil promotes healthy scalp and clean hair, and it also helps control dryness, okay? I know sometimes my scalp does get a little itchy, and I try not to, itch it too much because I don't want to damage my scalp. I feel like my scalp is really sensitive. So taking this extra step after cutting my hair was really important. All right, so we have finished cutting the heat damage and our ends, and this is it, our healthy hair maintenance. So you see all of these twists. Every single one of them was used as a section to detangle, moisturize, and clip dead ends. And if you're going to do your hair, clipping ends on natural hair and not straightened, I really, really highly recommend doing it in small sections like this. So that's that. As you can see, I'm really loving the bounce that my hair has and the shine. You see the twist. The difference in my twist between before and now is that the thickness of my twist runs from the root all the way down to the ends of my hair. The ends of my hair is so thick, and I'm really going for that. That is the goal. So not every twist looks like that right now, but I guarantee if I keep working on healthy hair, it will. So here is a really, this was a very big part of this video where I had to cut out a lot of heat damage. And I don't know, I tell you, I probably cut off like a good 10 inches. And so one side of my head, I have really short twists, and I was kind of sad about it. I'm not gonna lie. But then I thought about me wearing my hair in protective styles, and you know what? It hurts, but I'll get over it and I'll get through it because obviously I will be able to mask it, and I think it'll work out. Even with my hair in twists like this, I think I can rock, that. And I truly believe healthy hair is way better than, worrying about if my hair is even or not, because it will definitely grow. Catch me in 6 months. Trust me, I'll be making a video. And honestly, do you really think I'm worried about that? No. Healthy hair. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.